Well, I got an IPSY box, so let's open it up. Okay, I look rough. It's Sunday and I've done absolutely nothing with myself today. Okay, first thing, we have a bag. Okay, this is Toy Factory's mini translucent setting powder. Then we have a brush from Wing Me. Cupid's Arrow full color stylo. I'm assuming, there it is, Arrow for black. Ooh, lash step mascara. I love the packaging, that's so fun. Deep cleanser with red clay from First Aid Beauty. Then we have Athology Overnight Glaze Berry Lip Mask. You'll notice that I go like that. Like, what is that? Why do I do that? Okay. And then we have an Ofra signature palette, which I need to open this. I love Ofra. I ever ordered from Ofra once, but everything I've gotten from like IPSY and stuff from Ofra, I love. Oh, how pretty. Okay, so it's eyeshadow, highlighter in the middle, and then eyeshadow. Okay, this is Instant Crush Lip Gloss from Half Kate. Real Her Hold On Your Beauty Probiotic Setting Spray. And then finally, this is from, I sneeze. This is from Copar. It is a eye mask cream. This is the February box. This is the fastest I've ever gotten through one of these boxes. So, yeah.